Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we will learn English in a very simple way. Even if you have very little time, I will show you how to use just a few minutes every day to improve your English. You will learn small steps, practice short sentences, remember words easily, and speak naturally. We will go step by step. I will guide you like a teacher, and you will practice like a student. By the end of this lesson, you will see that even busy people can learn English without spending hours every day. Let us start with the first chapter and see how small daily practice can make a big difference. Lesson 1. Smart learning in small time. We all have busy lives. Sometimes it feels impossible to find time to study English, but even a few minutes every day can help you improve. I want you to imagine 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes at lunch, and 5 minutes before sleep. That is 15 minutes every day. If you use it well, you will learn a lot in 1 month. Yesterday, I gave an example to another class. One student listened to a short English audio while walking to the bus stop. Another student read one sentence in English while drinking tea. Small actions like these will slowly make a big difference. Right now, I want you to think about your day. When can you spare even 2 or 3 minutes? You can learn while brushing your teeth, cooking food, or waiting for a friend. You can repeat sentences quietly, remember a word, or listen to a short story. Tomorrow, you will notice small changes. Your mind will remember a new word without effort. You will speak a short sentence without hesitation. Last week, one student practiced for 10 minutes every day. By the end of the week, she could say 5 new sentences correctly. This is proof that small time is powerful if used correctly. We will use simple techniques. You will learn one word, one sentence, or one expression every day. You will practice it slowly. Then you will try to use it in real life. We will make this learning easy and natural. Even if your schedule is full, you can still learn English step by step. Lesson 2. Learning while doing. We do many activities every day. Sometimes we forget that these activities can also help us learn English. I want you to understand that learning does not need to happen only at a desk. You can learn while doing other things. Yesterday, one student told me that she listened to a short English story while washing dishes. She said she repeated some sentences quietly. Another student practiced speaking while walking in the park. These small actions gave them confidence. Even simple activities become learning moments if we pay attention. Now I want you to notice your daily tasks. You can listen to English music while cooking. You can name objects in English while cleaning your room. You can describe what you see while walking outside. For example, if you see a red flower, say, "The flower is red." This practice makes your mind ready to speak naturally. Tomorrow, try to combine learning with one activity. You will find it easy and interesting. Last week, one student followed this method. She practiced 5 minutes every day while doing chores. By the end of the week, she could remember 10 new words without effort. This shows that learning does not need long hours. We will also use short exercises. You will try to say one sentence while waiting for your food, or one question while traveling. You will hear English often and try to repeat it. Step by step, your listening and speaking will improve. Even if you are very busy, you will keep learning if you use these small moments wisely. Lesson 3. Speak naturally from day one. Many students think that they must know many words before speaking English. This is not true. You can start speaking from the first day. Even short sentences are enough to practice. I want you to understand that speaking regularly is more important than knowing everything perfectly. Yesterday, I asked one student to describe his room in English. He said only 2 sentences, but he tried. I corrected gently and encouraged him. Today, he can say 5 sentences about his room. Step by step, speaking becomes easier. Now I want you to try simple exercises. You can talk about your day, your food, or your plans. You can ask questions to yourself like, "What am I eating?" Or "Where will I go?" You can answer in English, even if the sentences are small. Your brain learns the structure of English. Tomorrow, you will feel more confident. Speaking every day, even for 2 minutes, helps your memory. Last week, one student recorded his short sentences every evening. At the end of the week, he listened to the recordings and noticed improvement. This shows that speaking regularly builds natural English. We will also use repetition. You will repeat simple sentences many times. You will hear them, speak them, and write them. Gradually, you will speak more freely. Even if mistakes happen, it is fine. Mistakes are part of learning. Step by step, your sentences will sound natural. Remember, speaking does not need long hours. Small daily practice is enough. You will speak English without fear, and your confidence will grow. Even busy students like you can improve if you speak a little every day. Lesson 4. Remember words easily. Many students think that remembering English words is difficult. I want you to know that it is not hard if you use the right methods. You do not need to memorize many words at once. Small steps work better. Yesterday, I showed a student a new method. He wrote 3 words on small cards. Every time he had free time, he looked at the cards and said the words aloud. Today, he remembers all 3 words without help. Small daily practice makes memory strong. Now, I want you to try simple ways to remember words. You can connect a word to a picture, an action, or a feeling. For example, if the word is happy, you can imagine yourself smiling. If the word is run, you can move your hands or legs while saying it. This method makes words easy to recall. Tomorrow, you can add a few more words. Do not rush. Repetition is important. Last week, one student learned 5 words each day. By the end of the week, she could use 25 new words in sentences. She practiced little by little, and it worked perfectly. We can also make short stories. You can combine 2 or 3 words and create a small sentence. For example, I run in the park. This way, you will remember words and use them naturally. Even if you forget sometimes, practice every day will help you remember quickly. Remember, learning words is like planting seeds. Each word grows slowly but surely. You will see progress if you use simple methods daily. Even busy students can remember words easily if they practice a little every day. Lesson 5. Keep motivated and track progress. Learning English can feel challenging sometimes. I want you to understand that staying motivated is very important. Even if you have little time, small efforts every day will lead to progress. You just need consistency and a positive mindset. Yesterday, one student told me that she felt tired and wanted to stop learning. I explained that small steps are enough. She decided to practice only 5 minutes every day. Today, she feels happier because she sees improvement. Small progress keeps motivation alive. Now I want you to track your progress. You can write a short diary or make a simple list of new words and sentences you learned. Each time you practice, check your list. This way, you will see how much you are learning. Tomorrow, you will feel proud of yourself, even if the progress seems small. Last week, another student set small goals. She promised to learn 3 new words daily and speak 1 sentence aloud. By the end of the week, she could use 21 new words and 7 sentences correctly. Tracking progress makes learning clear and exciting. We will also celebrate small wins. When you remember a word or speak a sentence correctly, reward yourself. This could be a smile, a small treat, or a few minutes of rest. Motivation grows when you recognize your own achievements. Even busy students like you can stay motivated if you follow this method. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Every day you practice, you improve a little. Every word you remember, every sentence you speak adds to your confidence. Step by step, day by day, your English will become natural, and your busy schedule will not stop you from learning.